Taste matters, and there's nothing like the taste of hotter, bolder coffee. Start by adding fresh water to the water reservoir through the easy front access lid. Before adding coffee grounds, swing open the front loading brew basket. Add a paper or reusable filter, if included, and then add the desired amount of coffee grounds with the included coffee scoop. If a water filtration disc is included, place it on top of the brew basket. Then close the front loading brew basket. Select Brew Now to start the brewing process. The warming plate will keep your coffee hot for up to 2 hours. Experience the taste of hotter, bolder coffee with your Mr. Coffee coffee maker.
The K-Select Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer combines a sleek design with our most popular features. Kick up your coffee strength and intensity with Strong Brew from the K-Select Brewer. Select from 4 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. Quiet Brew technology minimizes noise when in use. The removable reservoir holds 52 ounces, which means you can brew 5 cups with just 1 fill. The K-Select Brewer is made with fingerprint-resistant materials, and the drip tray is top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. The programmable auto-off turns the brewer off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. Using your K-Select Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and enjoy a perfect brew every time.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Perfect Temp 12-cup thermal carafe automatic coffee maker. So you'll notice in the front here it has a beautifully designed housing. It has lots of great features. This is your thermal carafe. The top here we call the brew through, pour through lid. So once you put the lid on and the coffee is brewed into it, you don't have to twist or turn it. You can just pour off your coffee. Really simple and easy. Just put that back in place. It also has a brew pause feature. So if you're impatient and you can't wait till the whole pot is done brewing, you can take it out, pour off 1 cup, put it back in, and it'll continue brewing. So here is your main panel here. You notice that there are 4 buttons around the clock. The one here says tone, and that's so that you can actually turn the audible ringer off when the coffee is finished. So if you'd prefer not to have it on, that's something you can do. You can turn it on or off. This is your hour button, your minute button. You hold this down until it starts blinking, and then what you do is you can change the time just by pressing the button. Once you release your hand, what'll happen is it'll blink for like a couple of seconds, and then it'll set itself automatically. This is your program button here. This is to program your coffee maker for letting it go off anytime during a 24-hour period. So if you know every day you get up and you want your coffee at 8 o'clock in the morning, you can program it to go off automatically. So here, the numerous buttons across the front. You have clean, which this will turn red around the outside of the button when it's time to decalcify your coffee maker, which is very important to keep it working as best as it can. This is your bold button. So if you don't have it on, then it's basically like a medium brew. Bold, you turn it on. This is your brew on and off. So if you press it now, it'll start brewing, but if you have it on programmed, you can basically do auto on, and then that will have your program time. It'll go off the time you have it programmed to brew. Then on the far right, you have your 1 to 4 cup button, and that is meant to be used, obviously, when you're going to be making less than a full pot, because the brewing cycle is different, specifically for 1 to 4 cups. So this is your lid. I'm going to open it up here. On this side, you have your filter holder. You just turn this down like so. You prepare your filter and you slide it in here. And this filter removes chlorine's taste and odor. You just slide it back in there. And over here, this is, I'm going to turn this sideways. This is where your water window is, right here. This is your permanent gold tone filter, which we give you with your unit. That's really great. It's completely reusable. You just rinse it off after you've made your coffee, and you can continue to use it. These are your starter pack of paper filters if you prefer to use paper. This is your scoop for scooping your coffee. So here on the top you have what we refer to as the shower head. It has lots of holes in it. And after you put your water into the water reservoir, that water will be cold, but as it heats up, it'll come out the shower head, and then that will be dispersed evenly over the grinds to make your fresh, flavorful coffee. So there you have it, the Cuisinart Perfect Temp 12-cup thermal carafe automatic coffee maker.
Keep your coffee hot longer with the Black & Decker 12-cup thermal programmable coffee maker. Featuring premium double-walled vacuum insulation, the stainless steel carafe keeps coffee hot for hours, preserving fresh taste and flavor. The exterior stays cool to the touch and condensation-free too, making it handy for tabletop serving. The innovative Even Stream showerhead maximizes water distribution over your favorite coffee grounds for premium flavor extraction. The generous 12-cup capacity Perfect Pour carafe seals airtight, while its unique design prevents drips and spills for no mess pouring. Plus, the specially designed wide mouth opening makes for easy cleaning. Large buttons are easy to find on those early mornings and provide a number of settings for customized brew. If you don't want a full carafe, select the 1 to 4 cup brew option that maintains the full flavor of a full brew. Plus, the brew strength selector lets you personalize your coffee taste. Fully programmable, the digital display allows you to schedule your brew for any hour of the day. Monitor your coffee's freshness with the Fresh Brew Timer, which displays the amount of elapsed time since the coffee was brewed. The Black & Decker 12-cup thermal programmable coffee maker. Keep your coffee hotter longer.
Introducing Ninja's 12-cup programmable coffee brewer. In order to brew, first fill the reservoir with however much water you'll need for your coffee. The unit will brew through all the water in the reservoir. Next, add the coffee. 1 scoop per cup of coffee is recommended. You can select from the brew style settings to customize your brew. You can choose classic or rich, depending on how strong you like your coffee. If you're brewing 4 cups or less, press small batch to ensure the same great taste and temperature as your full carafe brew. Make sure the carafe is in place, then press brew. With custom brew technology, each brew is hot, flavorful, and never bitter, no matter the brew style.
The Clean button will illuminate when a cleaning cycle is recommended for your unit, as calcium scale buildup could be affecting the flavor of your coffee. Cleaning your coffee maker is easy. You can use either white vinegar or a descaling solution formulated for coffee maker cleaning. In this demonstration, we're going to use white vinegar. First, pour the white vinegar into the reservoir. Then fill the rest of the reservoir with fresh, filtered water up to the max fill line. Next, place the empty carafe in the unit and select the full carafe size. Then, press the Clean button. The clock display will begin counting down the clean cycle time, which takes 60 minutes to complete. There will be pauses during the 1-hour cleaning cycle, allowing for maximum cleaning. Do not remove the carafe from the unit during this time. After 1 hour, the unit will brew the remaining cleaning mixture into the carafe. When complete, the unit will beep and end will appear on the clock display. The clean light will then turn off. After the cleaning cycle is finished, we recommend running a full carafe on classic brew with water only. Once this is done, clean the carafe, water reservoir, and filter holder. This will help remove any residual vinegar or cleaning solution, so it won't end up in the next brew. Your unit is now clean and ready to get back to doing what it does best, making great coffee. For more information, visit ninjakitchen.com.
Hi, I'm Floortje from Mokkamaster, and I'm excited to introduce to you today Mokkamaster's newest model, the KBG Select. been producing the finest coffee brewers for over 50 years. The new KBG Select, based on the legendary KBG model, which has been on the market since 1974, marks a new standard in brewing filter coffee for domestic and professional use. So let's get to know the brewer a little bit better. On the front, you will notice that the selector switch is integrated. This switch allows you to slow the flow of hot water into the filter basket on the coffee grounds. This feature gives you the possibility to brew a perfect cup of coffee in small and large quantities. It's very simple. If you brew more than 6 cups, you select the full jug on the brewer. Prefer less cups? Put the switch to half jug and the Moccamaster does the rest. The capacity of the new Moccamaster KBG Select is 1.25 liters. That equals 10 cups of coffee. Due to the unique copper heating element that's located in the housing, you brew these 10 cups in just 6 minutes. The copper heating element also guarantees a water temperature of 92 to 96 degrees Celsius. This is the perfect temperature for flavorful coffee without sour or bitter notes. The coffee is then held on the intelligent hot plate. This measures the amount of coffee in the jug to keep it warm between 80 and 85 degrees Celsius for a maximum of 40 minutes. Another great feature of this new model is the renewed outlet pipe. As you can see, it has 9 holes that really triggers the water drips from the outlet pipe. This creates a great spread over the water on the coffee grounds for the perfect extraction. The KBG Select is certified by the ECBC and the SCA for producing the golden cup of coffee. Just like all other models, this KBG Select is handmade in the Netherlands and comes with a 5-year warranty. All parts can be easily detached, so cleaning is a piece of cake. Speaking of cake, I feel like something yummy with a cup of coffee, so let's brew some. First of all, fill the water tank with fresh cold water with the desired amount of coffee you want to brew. I will start with 4 cups of coffee. Then, fill the filter basket with the filter paper and insert the coffee grounds. I will do this with 2 scoops for 4 cups, which equals 30 grams of coffee. But, as coffee is a matter of taste, just experiment along the way. As we're going to brew 4 cups, put the selector switch in the right mode, which is half jug. Then, turn on the Moccamaster to let it do what it does best, brew your coffee. So, there you have it. Regardless the amount of coffee you want to brew, with the Moccamaster KBG Select you will always brew the perfect cup. This brewer is perfect for domestic, office and professional use and is available at moccamaster.eu or at specialized Moccamaster dealers. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee!
This tutorial will guide you through the everyday use of your machine and show you how to prepare delicious Nespresso coffees. This machine operates with Nespresso Virtuo capsules. Nespresso Classic capsules cannot be used in this machine. Ensure previous capsule has been ejected before inserting a new one. The recommended cup sizes are: for a mug 230 milliliters, Gran Lungo 150 milliliters, and Espresso 40 milliliters. First, make sure the water tank is filled with fresh drinking water. Turn the machine on by pushing the button. Green light will blink while the machine is heating up. A steady green light means the machine is ready. Place a cup of sufficient capacity under the coffee outlet. Open the machine head by pushing the lever upwards. Insert a capsule of your choosing with the dome shape facing downward. Press the button to start the brewing process. The machine will automatically recognize the inserted capsule and select the coffee preparation parameters and cup length defined by Nespresso coffee experts to extract the coffee blend at its best. During the coffee preparation phase, coffee will start to flow. Green light will rotate quickly during brewing. Steady green light indicates that coffee brewing is ready. If you wish to stop the coffee flow before the end, simply press the button again. To eject the capsule, open the machine head by pushing the lever upwards. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you need more information, please visit Nespresso.com.